In this video, we will go over the activation of your new VOSKER V300 Ultimate Camera System. Now, let's take a look at the content of the box. Your V300 Ultimate will come with a solar power bank and its DC power adapter, a USB-C cable, a 32 GB micro SD card, a battery unit and its USB charging cable, mounting hardware, window stickers, and instructions. There are a few important things to consider when setting up your camera. Step 1 will be to charge the battery unit and the solar power bank fully. Use the provided USB-A to USB-C cable to charge the battery with a standard USB charger. Plug the charging cable directly into the battery. The battery must be charged apart from the camera and the solar power bank. When the charge is completed, the LED will turn green. A 24-hour charge is recommended. For the solar power bank, plug the DC power adapter in the 5-volt input port. During this charging process, the red LEDs flash to indicate charge level. It takes about 5 hours to fully charge. Pressing the test button beside the 5-volt in port will display the charge level. Once you have installed the solar power bank after it is fully charged, the sunlight will continue to charge the battery. The green light will be steady on when it is charging. You will now want to install the VOSKER app onto your mobile device. You will be able to control your camera remotely for a wide variety of features and functions. You can find the app by searching VOSKER in Google Play or the App Store. The next step is to activate your camera. Start the VOSKER app and select Activate a new camera. Select the model V300 Ultimate. Choose the type of surveillance you are going to do with your VOSKER security camera. Locate your activation code inside the battery case door on the back of the camera. Scan the barcode with your phone's camera with the VOSKER app when prompted. Follow the instructions on the screen to activate the camera, and enter your personal information. Your camera is now activated, and you will receive a confirmation email. Now open the battery case panel at the back of your camera to insert the battery unit you previously charged. First start of your camera. Before you begin setup, we recommend that you test the coverage of the location you will be placing your camera. Starting the camera at home and testing the functionalities beforehand is also recommended before getting on site for the actual installation. How to test cellular reception. Turn on the camera. As the camera is searching for a signal, the LED's light will be flashing. Once the signal is stable, the signal light LEDs will indicate the signal quality, depending on coverage availability. Turn off your camera and turn it on again. Try positioning the antenna at a different angle, or move your camera. When the front delay LED indicator is flashing red, a 30-second countdown will start before the photo mode is activated. When all the lights on the camera turn off, the camera is ready to use. The camera has now updated its status in the VOSKER app with its latest information. This first communication may take a few minutes, depending on the signal strength. The camera is now ready to record activity and transmit events to your VOSKER app. You can now set your desired settings under the Settings tab in your app. Important: the new settings will take effect at the next motion detection. Live streaming. To enable live streaming with your V300 Ultimate, you must have a security plan and the live streaming add-on. Go to the Account tab of your mobile to manage add-ons. Once you've successfully added the streaming package to your account, you can start a live stream by navigating to your gallery and pressing on the Stream button. These add-ons can be shared among multiple V300 camera in the same account. Press the yellow button to start the live streaming. The stronger the signal, the smoother the video will be. Installing the camera with the mounting system. Make sure the solar power bank is within the range of the supplied USB-C to USB-C cable before installation. Find a spot where the signal is the strongest for optimal camera performance. Choose between the flat mounting plate or the wood screw for your camera and your solar power bank. Connect the USB-C cable to the camera and the solar power bank and secure any loose length. Adjusting the motion detection. Your motion detection sensitivity is set to medium by default. You can adjust these settings under the Settings, Basic Settings in the app. A bad installation can cause detection issues. The camera should be installed at a reasonable distance from the area you want to secure, between 10 to 100 feet. The camera should be aimed at the target in a way to avoid backlighting caused by direct sun rays into the motion detector. Windy conditions could result in false motion detection. Make sure to install the camera on a stable surface. Keep in mind that any moving objects in the scene will cause the camera to trigger. Optimizing the solar power bank performance. The solar power bank will get the maximum amount of natural light if it faces south and angled at 45 degrees. Test your V300 Ultimate before leaving the site. Move in front of your camera and check your app to see the latest detection. View our full line of accessories available for the V300 Ultimate to make your site even more safe and secure.